Hi, it's a brand new trading week and you're watching Bloomberg UTV, a part of the world's biggest financial news network, and it seems like risk off has come back to haunt us. I'm of course Sameepa Shetty with my co-anchor Priyank Clark here. Good morning. Priyank, so it's no surprise there. It's all signs of fear in the markets. Look at where the equity markets were. If you look at the US markets, well, many of them are at levels not seen this entire year. Dow Jones, S&P both down over 2%. Even European markets were not spared. All of this, why? Because concerns coming out of that disappointing jobs number. Whoever thought we would see levels of $96, $97 per barrel on Brent. Gold, however, had an off day. All of the weakness that we saw right there in the US has filtered through to Asia. Both Nikkei and Kospi had opened down over 2% each. In fact, Nikkei is the benchmark. You have the broader Japanese market, that is Topix, which is more insular in nature, and that is at its lowest level since December 1983. Just gives you an indication of the sort of sell-off we are seeing across the globe this Monday morning. So clearly, risk off is back on the table. Is there a fear of a hard landing in China?
We really don't think so. We think that.
But when we had that 5.3% number coming in for India, there was literally a collective gasp of horror. And many experts are now saying that probably India is entering a slow growth era or slow growth phase of between 5 to 6%. Is that the way you read the India story? And you think that optimism is most definitely out of the country? Talked about the rupee right now. Many experts believe that the rupee is headed to 60 to the dollar at this point in time. And there is, of course, taking off some sheen from weak global commodity prices. So what's your own target for the rupee? I know it's very difficult to put one considering that weight has been sliding, but where do you see the rupee? And the second part of the question is, what can the government of India do, that one thing probably which can instill some confidence back into India's growth story? Hopefully policymakers are listening to you this morning and we would have some action, at least some movement to bring back confidence, which is seemingly lost in the Indian economy. Well, we're back on market movers, and all eyes will be on Future Capital today. A big deal announcement is likely for that company. Now, US private equity firm Warburg Pincus may be buying a majority holding in Future Capital Holdings. And though we do see that slowdown in China, we spoke to Jahangir Aziz earlier on the show, and he says that he does not expect a hard landing in China. Well, despite the headwinds, we've been hearing from German Chancellor Angela Merkel hardening her position to those joint debt sharing in the Euro region as President Barack Obama. He, in fact, singled out Europe's leaders for not doing enough to arrest the financial crisis. It's a wrap, rather, for market movers. Up next, all the first trades action will be with you. Thanks so much for watching.